Hey, what is going on YouTube? Here we have this Wordle game. It is January 7, 2022, and I'll be attempting to complete the Wordle quiz. So the basis of this is basically you'll try to guess word going horizontally, and then it will show you the correct letters, or it will show you if they're in the correct positioning or anything like that. So whenever I'm playing this, I typically like to try to get words with vowels and common consonants. So for example, let's try crazy. So let's see. All right, so this does not have any of our letters, and that is really bad because you'd want to have some of the letters in the first attempt. All right, so let's go again. So crazy. Let's see. All right, kites. All right, so we have the S here, but that is not in the correct position. So we should keep that in mind. We could attempt to try to find which position this S is in, or we could try another word to get more letters out of this. So by the looks of this, I'm currently, well, I don't have any vowels as yet, and we have O and U. So we need a word with O and U. We could say, let's say, found. Found would be one. Sound. Since we already have the S here, I believe we could attempt to use the word sound. Let us see. Or I'm going to try hound because I want to see if there are any H in the word. All right, so we have the U here, and the U is in the middle. So let's see. Seeing that we already have U and the S, let's try some words that begins with S because S words are pretty common. So let's try words that begin with S. Let's see. S, M, smart, SMA. Since we already know that the U would be there, let's try smash. All right, so we got the M from this. So we now have SM and U. So it's just to find their correct positioning. So we know that the S starts this. So let's start it with S. And we have M and U. So we'll try one more word and then we'll make our final guess. So let's see. So swarm, that is a common word. So we have the M. Let's see if that is the correct positioning for the M. And let's see. All right, so that is not the correct positioning of the M. And what I did there was to try and find where the M would fall. So the M is not in the second row, the second column rather, and is not in the fourth column. So the fifth column. So the M would have to be in the fourth column. The U would have to be third. So we need a word that goes like this: S blank U M blank. So S. Let's see, we have L, S L U M, S L U M P. Okay, good. So we managed to find this word. Yeah, so that is how you'd play this game. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Hacker Plus 7 out.